just got a delivery from Temu, so I thought I'll do a Temu haul. I mean, it's going to be, I'll get the package open, originally. Right, I'll put this on the floor and I'll start pulling it out. Package within a package. Oh yeah, these are sort of like craft frames. Thought I could do something interesting with them. I mean, I think they're meant to go that way, but I quite like the idea they've got a frame. So I got, hang on, I've got a big pile of stuff here. These cute little sort of folk art stickers. I absolutely love them. Some of them are Christmas themed, but folk art, beautiful. Sort of Scandinavian, I'd say. Look at that little doggy. And the flowers. So yeah, a full pack of them. Oh, and a horror one. Oh, I did get some horror ones. I must have mixed these up when I've opened them originally. Hang on. Cute. I like them. Cool. I've already opened this one, which is really good quality actually. Skeleton bones. Now there's a collaborative coming up, a music collaborative. So I've ordered way too much for it. I did buy one originally, and then I decided against it. So I ended up with this. Now look at the size of that. It's huge. So that'll definitely have to be an eco pour, I think, if I do it. What did I get as well? Oh, I got this violin, except I ordered two by accident. I was in the special offer credit back thing, and fluff. I don't know what happened. I went back into my normal basket and I ordered it again. I wouldn't mind. I don't think I'm even going to use any of these two, but never mind. I got a coaster thing I thought I could utilise somehow, but my absolute favourite is this one. It's like a vintage microphone and I absolutely love it, so I think that's probably what I'm going to do, to be fair. So I don't know about these. I tend to, I had the idea in my head and I was just like, oh, music, 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 and I think I went a little bit mad, but never mind. Oh, and I got that as well. There's little notes in. Oh, there's stuff spilling out here because I've got it all piled up. Yeah, some Aurora powders. I think they're nail art powders, but I thought I'd give them a go. I've got a cute tray mould here. Actually, no, not tray, sorry, a plate. Oh, I have got the other one somewhere, slightly different one. But I thought that one was quite cute. Because I plan on doing some decoupage. I haven't done it for God years, and I've still got a box full of napkins, but I still had to, of course, buy more. So I thought if I might do a few different plates with decoupage on them, but I'm not going to open all these with napkins, but look how cute that is. Then there's one with birds on. Ducks. A mushroom frenzy. And these I thought were stickers. I don't know why, but the serviettes or napkins or whatever you want to call them. But they're lovely. Once upon a time. I thought they were so cute, so I think there's something to do with them as well. More birds. I think that one the same. Oh, I've ordered two the same. You see, I've done it again. Never mind. And I got some. These are just like the really thin cheapo coasters, but I thought I could put them in another coaster because I just thought they were so cute, so retro. This is the sort of thing I love. So, and I've made coasters with this type of thing before. I mean, they're really paper thin, but I use them literally as the picture. What else? Oh yeah, some love heart sweets. I got some diamantes, whichever way you pronounce it. I'm not really a diamante person, but I thought I'd give it a go. Oh, I've got a beautiful, I love this, an angel mould, which is something else I might try with them Aurora powders. I doubt you can really see it, but it's gorgeous. It's got lovely detail in it. So, oh yes, I've pulled this one out already because I forgot what it was and I was trying to look at it. It's a unicorn that way up. And I think it's got like skull details along its face. It's absolutely gorgeous. So I think I might do that one next, to be fair. More stickers. Put that one there. Well, this ended up being funny. Let me just clear the desk a sec. I ordered one, the Overthinker, which is me to a T. And then I saw the Crafter. And I thought, brilliant. I'm going to get that. Look at the difference in the size. I didn't take any notice. I just saw them and thought, oh, aren't they nice? I'll get some more in that set. And I ordered the Crafter in a different size. And then I ordered this one, the Witch. And it's huge. I think it's a t-shirt transfer. But I could probably still think of something to do with it. I'm trying to get it away from the glare. And then I ordered a set of all the little ones. They're so cute. The nurse, the nail tech, the hot mama, the nail tech, makeup artist, just loads of different ones. Gymaholic, cat lover. So yeah, I just thought cute. Cute. Oh, and I also got this for the collab. I don't know if you can see it there, music notes. It's like a fabric tape. But yes, I went totally crazy on the music collab and don't even know if I'll use half of them, but never mind. So yeah, that's my Temu haul for today. I hope you enjoyed. The rest of it was just boring house stuff. I doubt you want to even see that. Bye for now.